Alright, thanks for that quick break. I have to switch my battery. And here's our time now. It's 9:22. And our second sealed box right here. And here's our empty box. Alright, first pack, guys. Refractor Frank Lafreniere, Miguel Chavez, Matt Hoffman, Irvin Santana. Yu Darvish, Carlos Alonso, Taylor Siemens, J.J. Hardy. John Lester, Mike Gallick, Brent Keys, Lance Berkman. Ryan Howard, Mike O'Neill, Drew Lichman, Brian McCann. Refractor Ryan Howard, not numbered, Jeremy Nowak, Kevin Pillar, R.A. Dickey. Brett Laurie. Auto for the Marlins, Adam Conley. Base auto for the Marlins, Will Lamb, Christian Friedrich. Evan Longoria. Futures game, Jerickson Profar. Nice hit there. Brian Pointer and Luis Mateo. Aroldis Chapman, Jesus Solorzano, Frank Lafreniere, Adam Jones. Ben Zobrist, Chris Hawkins, Garrett Whittles, and Josh Johnson. Gene Segura, Futures game, Julio Morban, Boss Moanoroa, Martin Prado. Desmond Jennings, Jordan Scott, Montreal Robertson, Jose Reyes. Freddie Freeman, Refractor Miguel Chavez, it's not numbered, David Candiles, Austin Barnes. Blue Refractor, Kyle Hendricks, out of 250. Ben Alsop, Wilfredo Tovar, Mark Teixeira. Chris Young, franchise all-star for the Mets, Beltran and Taveras. Sam Stafford, Brandon Eckerly. For the Astros, purple refractor, Jake Buchanan out of 199. Austin Bryce, Garrett Bushell, Mike Trout. David Wright, refractor, Joshua McGee, Marcos Camarena, Corey Hart. Andrew McCutcheon, David Freitas, John Helwig, Mariano Rivera. Last pack for the second box. Mike Napoli, Chris Young, Jadamian Williams, Starlin Martinez. And our last sealed box, guys. Alright, good luck, everyone. And here's the empty box, guys. Alright, first pack. Clay Buckles, Michael Antonio, Gary Apelian, CJ Wilson. Rob Brantley, Francisco Arcia, Kenny Vargas, D. Gordon. Ike Davies, Blair Walters, Jake Buchanan, Albert Pujols. Brandon Phillips, Jadamian Williams, Gregory Hopkins, Jorge Soler. Blue refractor, Austin Bryce. This is out of 250. 133 out of 250. Grandin Goatsman, Anthony Garcia, Chris Carpenter. John Helwig, refractor, not numbered. Jadamian Williams, Chris Hawkins, David Wright. Asdrubal Cabrera, franchise All-Stars, Ryan Braun and Scooter Gennett. Ben Alsop, Montreal Robertson. Brett Gardner, got a blue refractor. It's a blue auto for the Yankees. Jose Campos out of 150. There you go. Blue auto refractor for the Yankees. Wilfredo Tovar, Justin Upton. Alex Avila, Junior Lake, Ravel Santana, Ricky Romero. Tommy Hansen. Orange card for the Brewers. Corey Hart. This is out of 25. 23 out of 25 for the Brewers. Michael Early. Okoye Dixon. Ian Kennedy. Nelson Cruz. Logan Pevney. Evan Marshall. Refractor Dan Herron. Austin Bryce. Garrett Bushell. Drew Hutchison. Brandon Beachy. Second auto for the last box is a Nomar Mazara for the Rangers. Base auto. The last box is pretty good. Joshua McGee and Carlos Gonzalez. Niger Morgan. Zach Wheeler. Marcus Camarena. Starlin Martinez. Hisashi Iwakuma. David Freitas. John Helwig. Nick Markakis. Kevin Youkilis. Garrett Whittles. Julio Morban. Alex Leedy. Dan Herron. Matt Moore. Legends in the Making. Boss Moa Naroa. Jordan Scott. In our last pack, Nelson Cruz, David Candelas, Austin Barnes, and Matt Kemp. Alright, let me just show you our hits again here. We got purple Shane Victorino, 60 out of 199. We got 3 blue refractors, Austin Bryce, Kyle Hendricks, and Julio Concepcion, all out of 250. Jake Buchanan out of 199. Got 1 orange card, orange refractor out of 25. Our autos are Felix Sterling, base auto. Nomar Mazara, base auto. Adam Conley, base auto. And a blue refractor auto for the Yankees, Jose Campos, out of 150. Alright, thanks for joining this box break, guys. I hope you do check my eBay page for my other upcoming box breaks. And once again, thank you and hope to see you again. Thanks.